Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a very interesting cigar. This is the Partagas Shorts by Partagas, and this is a cabinet of 50. I've said this a couple times on this channel. I love cabinets of 50. There unfortunately is not that many companies that make cabinets, but I find that the cigars age much better in cabinets. This box is from March 2022, so it's, I wouldn't call it aged, but definitely has got some time to it. And this is again an English market selection. These are purchased from Cigars. Let's open this up and have a look. So off the bat you can see that there is the classic cedar wood with the Partgas logo stamped on it. And then the nice thing about Cigars, they have inside, I don't know if you guys can see, I'll try and zoom in, they have their own stamp inside their cabinets. I'll show you guys soon. And then, as we always say, it's an EMS, so it's got the Hunters and Francow stamp of approval, which means that the quality of the cigars are nothing like you buy in any other country. There's always an extra layer of quality control. And there you have it. This is a cabinet of 50. And there you have it. Now that is extremely impressive. And I always find that since they are in a cabinet, they age much better because they get no distraction from any of the plastic or anything of like that. They always just get flavor from one another, and then along the road they get much better. Sorry about that. Let's remove the cigars and let's show you the stamp inside the. So inside the box you have this stamp. I will zoom in. It says Cigars London, selected by Mitchell Orchant, which we've mentioned on this channel before. And these are, when you buy cigars from him, you know there's more than just buying it from Hunters and Francow. You've got an extra layer of quality control and making sure the cigars are impeccable. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.